Welcome to the Personal Finance Workbench. Today I would like to discuss credit card debt. Credit card debt, in my mind, is this radioactive debt. It's radioactive because it's very dangerous and it will take a long time to go away on its own. You don't want to be in credit card debt. But if you are, I understand your situation. I used to have a lot of credit card debt myself. It started small. I got this one gold card in the mail. And it was wonderful. It solved all sorts of problems for the very short term. And then they sent me these checks, these paper checks, and you could fill out the checks and send money anywhere you needed to. Well, I filled out the checks and I sent them to the other credit card companies to help pay off those bills. But as I'm sure you're aware, using one credit card to pay off another credit card is really a situation that could lead to financial ruin very quickly. I got into credit card debt at the time because I was unemployed, and it was a tough time. I was in a financial hole, and I needed to get out. My solution was to create a plan. I needed a financial plan. Now, I'm not talking about some hugely complex financial plan. It was basically 3 phases. 1, I wrote down the current situation. 2, I created a budget. And 3, I focused on my path forward out of the hole. It was really pretty straightforward. In step 1, I went back and added in some details. How much money do I have right now? And the answer was not much. What do I owe? What bills are overdue? And what's the job situation on a realistic level? When addressing the idea of how much I owed, I went ahead and put together a calendar, and on the calendar I wrote down exactly when the bills would come due in the next month. The details for step 2, the budget, were pretty straightforward. I would stop adding to my credit card debt. I would stop spending money, essentially. I didn't spend money on things like restaurants or clothes or new electronic toys. I just basically stopped spending money where I didn't have to actually spend it. And I looked at what needed to be paid no matter what. I needed to buy food. I needed to make the car payments. I needed to pay for insurance. That kind of stuff. Now that I knew where I was, the key to it all was figuring out how to get out of the hole. So step 3 was to figure out the path forward and to focus on that. I got a job, not a great job, but a job, so I had money coming in. That meant I had some money to pay the bills. If there was any money left over at the end of the month, I would take that and I would pile it into the bill for that gold card. The gold card had the biggest balance of any of my credit cards, so I decided to start there first. I worked overtime whenever it was possible in order to get extra money. Then I took that extra money and I would pay it toward the gold card. My essential plan here was to make minimum payments on all of the credit cards except the gold card, and therefore I would just pay that one off sooner. That was the plan. And it worked out that way. As time went by, I continued to control my costs so I didn't spend money, and I kept piling the extra money into the gold card. Eventually, it was paid off, so I started to turn my focus to another card, and I piled the extra money at the end of each month into that second card. And once that one was paid off, then I did it for a third card, and eventually all the cards were paid off. I ended up paying a lot of money in interest during this period, but it had to be done. Eventually, with all of the cards paid off, I had extra money at the end of the month and I started to save it. And that allowed me to start doing things like going out to restaurants, hanging out with my friends, and buying those cool electronic toys. Looking back on that period, it was very painful, but it was also very necessary. I needed to create a plan, because without a plan, there would be no success. So, in summary, I created a financial plan to get myself out of my hole. I wrote down the current situation, I created a budget, and I focused on my path forward. And that really is key from an emotional standpoint. I didn't fall into depression. Instead, I decided to take action to get myself out of the hole. I destroyed my radioactive debt, and I hope that you can too. Good luck to all of us.